Sagat hin sa adin KSO president kadina tu cuma na cumuwa ki changya kilit sap inakit
winner na you na cuma in
Pata kan pero na ya na yo ama hai sports person hi ni tu jong le
This Kuki KSO in building a nation. Yes.
I don't bring wine na tak terlihat Noi sang la dom sang nahi zili Kukin pi Manipur thalengin tunihin Sate ho thum khat na lawa pangi jong la tunihin Kipathu le pacha na sang pen in pi na pen po
Very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the homecoming of the two Kuki boys representing Team India in the under 16 SAF Championship, which was held in Bhutan. Welcome home, boys. Welcome home. They are the champion. And on my right, we have Albert Namgoho Mate, the captain of Indian football team, and my left back of the Indian football team. They have been playing in the SAF tournament for the past 1 week or 10 days, sort of like that. They both represented Team Classic Football Academy here in Manipur. And since they have gone out to play and represent the Team India, it has been a privilege and honor to welcome them here.
We are hosting a reception program for Namgo Mate, Bumlilal Hansing, Levi Zamilun Hoki, who were representing the Indian team at Bhutan under 16 SAF Championship. Unfortunately, when the team captain Namgoho Mate returned from the tournament, his parents were in a relief camp. It's very sad, and we feel very pity for him since he doesn't have any place to settle. And we also very proud of them that they have bring a laurel to the state, the country, as well as the community. So we appeal the concerned authority and the central government and the state government to kindly look after the problem faced by the team captain.
Nightmare for me and my team. We are so proud, even our coaches and our staff. We are so proud. We are so proud of it, and we are moving straight to our next step. While we are at the village, our coach Renity, he called me up for under 16 trial for national team. Because of the Vailhun, we can't came back to Manipur. So we left at the Serenity. He sent both of us for Srinagar for staying like before the SAF under 16 selection result was out. Because we are we are staying friendly, so we wish to talk each other. We don't care about it. Yeah, I would like to say that lifting together a trophy was good, but I want to be like, if you want to have peace in Manipur.
I would like to thank God and our coach Renity for helping us in every possible way. It saddened us all that our state has been prepared with the violence. I personally look forward for peace in our state.